Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ya. Few days ago, few afternoons ago, I made chickpeas, corned beef slash bully beef and spinach for supper with pan fried potatoes, white potatoes. Some call it Irish potatoes. So it was very tasty, very good. And day 2 days after, oh, forgive me, the days go by fast. I can't keep up. A day after, I reheat some and use as wrap, which was very tasty, very spicy. A lot of spices, cumin, garlic, hot pepper, and sauces. So yeah. This is corned beef, or otherwise called woolly beef. I have chickpeas in the pot. I saute pig cheese. I say pig cheese. I sauteed chickpeas in a lot of garlic among various sauces. You can add your sauces that you like, meaning dry spices, thyme, garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet chili, whatever you want to put. I add cumin. I love cumin. I have my favorite sauces, spices. This would take some more corned beef. And I will be making pan roast potatoes. Onions, bell peppers, spicy pepper. So I'll cover this for a bit and let it simmer. And I will add some rice vinegar also. I love to cook with rice vinegar. It gives it an awesome flavor. This is it. I'm gonna cover, let it simmer. And we'll come back to that in a few minutes. It smells so good. It smells super good. Various sauces, hoisin, sweet chili, hot pepper, as in Scotch bonnet pepper. The flavor is amazing. I can get the real Scotch bonnet. Plant, the real pepper, so I do well with that. I just make do. And a whole lot of cumin. I love cumin. Oh, the flavor is amazing. More garlic, more garlic. Can't have enough garlic. This serves well with rice or fungi, polenta, fufu, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods, churn cornmeal. It serves well with, I'll be doing pan fried potatoes. I kind of wanted to change my mind to do smash fried green plantains, but the camera is not doing justice. That's how it looks. It looks amazing. You can add the amount of dry spice you like, whatever you like you add. I like mine tasty. Taste as you go. And I let this simmer. I love my chickpeas to soak up all the flavor. When it's almost done, I'll dash some spinach in. Sometimes I just make the chickpeas only. Chickpeas with spinach or carrots. Yeah. And cover, let it simmer, soak up all the spices. I'm adding some spinach. Love spinach. Spicy, tasty. Ooh. Lower the flame. Oh, if I put the extractor, it will be very loud. Lower the flame, let it simmer slowly. Chickpeas, corned beef, spinach, a lot of spices, and some sauces. Simmer. Rice vinegar. Oh, the flavor is so good. The camera is not doing it good. No justice whatsoever. The smell is amazing. The color is great. This is a regular for me. I love chickpeas. Cover, let it slow simmer. fried potatoes. Pan roast tomatoes will be going in shortly. Cast iron with some oil. About to fry the potatoes. I've cooked the potatoes halfway, and now I'll pan fry them. I love to add annatto seed to my oil so the color comes out rich. Annatto seeds. Yeah, I grew up with my grandma. We use annatto all the time. You could make also bakes. Just drop them deep fry and they poofy. You could make sandwiches with chickpeas corned beef. Another great way to enjoy the meal. They are ready. Second fry, first fry, second fry done. and dusted. They are yummylicious. Dana is right there. Turn it off, turn it off. This is so good. So this is it.